What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about PocketGuard. PocketGuard is a user-friendly personal finance app designed to help individuals manage their budget, track expenses, and achieve financial goals. With features like real-time expense tracking, budgeting tools, and debt management plans, PocketGuard empowers users to gain control over their finances. Its intuitive interface simplifies money management, making it easier to understand spending habits and make informed decisions. Now, let's discover its top features. Custom budgeting. PocketGuard enables users to create a fully customizable budget tailored to their unique financial situations. Users can track their spending progress throughout the month and receive notifications if they deviate from their budget. This feature simplifies financial management and automating data entry and allowing for adjustments as needed, ultimately helping users stay on track and achieve their financial goals. Spending Insights. The Insights feature of PocketGuard allows users to visualize their spending habits through custom reports and analytics. By grouping expenses and hashtags, users can identify trends and areas of improvement. The platform provides pie charts and comparison across categories, making it easier to understand spending patterns and adjust budgets accordingly, fostering better financial decision-making. Saving Goals. PocketGuard simplifies tracking multiple savings goals by allowing users to assign financial accounts to specific objectives. Users can set target amounts and dates for each goal, ensuring a structured approach to saving. The app notifies users of progress and suggests contributions based on individual budgets, making it easier to achieve financial aspirations while keeping savings organized. Lower your bills. PocketGuard offers tools to help users reduce their monthly expenses by analyzing bills and identifying potential savings. By reviewing recurring payments and suggesting alternatives, the app empowers users to negotiate better rates or switch providers. This proactive approach to managing bills can lead to significant savings, enhancing overall financial health and freeing up resources for other priorities. Cash flow management. Effective cash flow management is crucial for maintaining financial stability, and PocketGuard excels in this area. The app provides real-time tracking of income and expenses, helping users understand their cash flow dynamics. By visualizing inflows and outflows, users can make informed decisions about spending, savings, and investing, ensuring they maintain a healthy balance in their finances. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Limited free features. One significant drawback of PocketGuard is the limitations of its free version, which many users find inadequate for effective budgeting. Essential features such as custom spending categories and unlimited savings goals are locked behind a paywall, making it challenging for users to fully utilize the app without upgrading. This can deter potential users seeking comprehensive budgeting tools without incurring cost. Connection issues. Users frequently report connection problems with PocketGuard, particularly when syncing bank accounts. These issues can lead to frustration as some users are unable to access their financial data or achieve timely updates. Such technical difficulties can undermine the app's reliability and effectiveness in managing finances, prompting users to seek alternatives that offer more stable connectivity. Lack of currency support. PocketGuard only supports accounts in currencies from the US and Canada, which limits its usability for international users. This restriction can be a significant drawback for those who engage in foreign transactions or travel frequently. Users outside these regions may find the app insufficient for their financial management needs, pushing them towards more versatile budgeting solutions that accommodate multiple currencies. In conclusion, PocketGuard is a powerful personal finance tool that offers valuable budgeting, insights, and savings features. While it has notable strengths such as user-friendly design and effective cash flow management, potential drawbacks like limited free features and connection issues may affect some users' experiences. Overall, it remains a solid choice for financial management. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.